Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta provides the best facility for various kinds of student activity, both academic and non-academic. Not only focusing on academics, the Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, as one of the biggest tertiary education institution in Indonesia, certainly has many student organizations, whether in the fields of arts, sports, and sciences, which have accomplished many achievements. Non-academic facilities and infrastructure always sufficiently support it all. What are the facilities and infrastructure? Let's check it out. In supporting student activity to become Muslim scholars who are noble, capable, confident, capable of developing science and technology and useful for the people, nation, and humanity, the LPKA or Student and Alumni Development Organization was formed. LPKA has several sections including the Career Development Centers or CDC as a bridge between UMY and its graduates. The task is to communicate graduate data to companies for recruitment on campus and training for students and graduates. Educational, research, and community service activity, which have been full of active student participation, are integrated into one place called the Student Creativity Program. PKM was developed to lead students to reach the level of enlightenment of creativity and innovation based on mastery of science and technology and high faith. Furthermore, there are counseling services for students who are more concentrated on non-academic services, including consulting services in the fields of education, scholarships, health, career, personal, and discussions around current issues among students. At UMY, there is worship facility located in the center of UMY building, namely Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan Mosque, which give ease of access of worship student. In addition, the mosque also serve as a public space to a place of learning, discussion, and a meeting of the student activity. To develop students' talent in both academic and non-academic fields, there are more than 30 student activity units or UKM, both at the university and faculty level, including Youthpreneur, Group of Academic Students for Indonesia's Development or GASFID, Stock Exchange Student Community, Muhammadiyah Student Association, Unit of Photography, Student English Activity, and many others. To support sports activity for the students, lecturers, and employees on campus are already available in the field of football, futsal, tennis, basketball, badminton, and table tennis and volleyball. For students who like sports activity, already provided such means as Student Activity Unit or UKM. Not only excellent in academic, the students also show their talent non-academically in the art of music. Sang Surya Philharmonic Orchestra is approved and being the one of the prides of UMY. In order to carry the spirit of young and global with an ambition to realize the development of science and technology to improve the quality of student education, the management study program provides a cafe with a co-working space concept. The building, which consists of 3 floors, is called Cafe 19 and 12. During the break, students can visit the UMY Boga canteen. This canteen tries to provide the best service every day. With Islamic values about cleanliness, this canteen is committed to maintain its hygiene for food and place all the time. UMY Clinic was formed with the main objective of improving the health status of students and employees in the UMY environment by providing high-quality health service. Students can get free services if students have a BPJS participant card with a choice of level 1 health facilities at the Firdaus 24-hour Pratama Clinic. Not only that, UMY also has a dental and oral hospital and AMC, which provides total health, fitness, and beauty care services through integrated and holistic services. As a means of outdoor discussion, the management study program also provides a facility called Taman Batu, which is used as a place for discussion and casual gathering equipped with internet services and access to electricity. The administration room in the management study program or Faculty of Economics and Business has been designed with very friendly to anyone and comfortable waiting area, supported by officers who are always ready and eager to serve the needs and wants of the students. In the management study program, there are several large and safe parking lots. Why is it safe? On this campus, students are required to have an RFID card, where the card will be used for every vehicle that will park. People with disabilities are a concern for Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. For this reason, the campus has provided facilities and infrastructure to support the activity of persons with disabilities at UMY. The facilities include special parking for people with disabilities where the parking is located not far from the intended building, guidance block, and ramps that can help persons with disabilities to know where to walk safely. To go up or down to the floor, which can be helped by using a special elevator, it is used Braille and voice. This elevator uses Braille letters so that the user can be touched and press which floor the user must to go. In addition, voice services on the lift can also be used as a marker.
This is the 3rd floor. The door is opening.
Low vision computers can be used in library for people with disabilities to help their vision when operating the computer. The toilet is also special. This toilet is designed in a way that is larger than usual. Its function is so that the wheelchair can rotate freely. To create a sense of security for every visitor of the building who is in the management study program, the campus has provided security and safety tools for first aid in any emergency situation. To increase awareness of fires, every building has at least a fire protection systems such as sprinklers, fire extinguisher, hydrants, important signs, no smoking areas. Not only that, to be aware of other potential disasters, the campus also provides meeting points, evacuation direction, wheelchairs, truck bars, ambulance to the MMTC Muhammadiyah Tobacco Control Center for helping people to quit smoking. Malcolm X said that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare it for today. That's the UMY goal, to prepare and accompany students to acquire their future success. Because success is everyone's right. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.